Hey there, I've got something pretty cool to show you. This is a smart multimedia unit that allows you to add wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to any car. This specific unit is the Carpuride 901Pro. In other words, your car's new best friend. It's super easy to use, easy to install, and in my opinion, it looks really good. Let's dive right into what it can do for you. First things first, let's talk about connections. This unit supports both wired and wireless options. You can use Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even mirror your smartphone. Plus, there's a USB multimedia player, micro SD card support, and it can connect with a rear camera. The rear camera is not included in this unit, but you can purchase it separately. This unit offers 4 ways to stream your media. The first one is by using the built-in speaker. All you need to do is connect your iPhone or Android phone via Bluetooth. The unit will play the audio directly using the built-in speaker. The second option is to connect the unit to your car's Bluetooth. The audio coming from your phone will be sent to your car's speakers. This is possible thanks to the dual Bluetooth of this Carpuride unit. The third option is to connect the unit to your car using the included 3.5mm aux cable. And lastly, the fourth option is to use the FM transmitter, which we will talk about in a few minutes. Before we start, let me mention that my car is equipped with an infotainment system compatible with wired CarPlay. However, that does not prevent us from doing this review. The package and presentation is very simple. Inside, we have a flat bracket with the installation adhesive, 3.5mm audio cable, the power cable, suction cup gasket, the manual, and the bracket number 2. This one has an adjustable telescopic arm which gives you more flexibility to install it. And lastly, the Carpuride 901Pro unit. On the left side, you have all the available ports. The installation is very simple. You can choose either the flat bracket or the bracket with the telescopic arm. If you want to install the telescopic bracket on your dashboard, you need to first put the suction cup gasket, then place the bracket on top of it. For demonstration purposes, I am going to install it on my windshield. I prefer this bracket because it gives you more flexibility to adjust the screen. It goes up and down, and you can even rotate the screen 360 degrees. Once you're happy with the position, connect the power cord to the cigarette lighter outlet. I like the look of this unit. It's not too small and it's not too big. The boot up is fast, it's up and running in 9 seconds, and CarPlay will connect automatically in less than 19 seconds. It has a nice high definition screen. The icons are big, nice and colorful. The user interface is very simple. It has only the things you need and no complicated menus or complicated interface. It's very responsive with minimal lag. Now let's talk about the other important things. You have the option to stream media connecting the phone with a cable. I don't think that many will use this option, but it's good to have it. To connect via Bluetooth, simply go to Settings, Bluetooth, and select Carpuride. It will take a few seconds, then it will launch CarPlay automatically. Here you can use all the available functions like making phone calls, replying to text messages, use Apple and Google Maps, and many more functions. You have the full CarPlay experience with this Carpuride unit. You will get the same user experience with Android Auto when you connect your Android phone. Now, let me show you my car's infotainment system. As you can see, the look and functions are exactly the same. The only difference is the screen size. Other than that, everything else is the same. The other option to stream your media is by using the FM transmitter. You can use it if your car doesn't have the 3.5mm port or Bluetooth. Simply choose the station and select the same station on your car stereo, and the audio from the unit will be sent to your car speakers. Lastly, you can use the 3.5mm headphone jack. The cable is included in the box. Simply plug it into the side of the unit and plug the other end into the port in your car. My car doesn't have a 3.5 headphone jack, so I can't show you that feature. Another nice feature is that you can mirror your phone into the unit. It's compatible with almost all of the Android phones and iPhones. You can use your navigation apps, play games, watch movies, and more. Remember to always be responsible and don't use this feature while driving, as it can be distracting and dangerous. Another small feature that it's important to mention: behind the unit there's a sensor that automatically adjusts the screen brightness according to your surroundings. So there you have it. The Carpuride 901Pro has all the features you need. It's easy to install, easy to use, and looks fantastic. I'll leave the links in the description below so you can order yours. Alright, that's gonna do it for this review. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to let me know by giving it a like, and if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe for more.